Lesson 40, Pythagorean Theorem and Perimeter and Area of Triangles. Here's part 1. In box A, use the Pythagorean Theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find the length of the missing side. Then, use your solution from box A to find the perimeter and area. Let's start with box A. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the missing side. So here we have our right triangle, and we'll label this side side A since it's the shortest. This is side B, and here we have side C, which is the hypotenuse. And we're going to find the length of side B. So here we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And let's substitute 3 centimeters for A right here. And we'll substitute 5 centimeters for C right here. On the next line, instead of writing A squared, we'll write down 3 centimeters squared. So here we have 3 centimeters squared plus B squared equals, and here instead of writing C squared, we'll write down 5 centimeters squared. Here's 5 centimeters squared. Let's simplify. 3 squared equals 9. Centimeters squared equals centimeters squared. Plus b squared equals, and now let's simplify this. 5 squared equals 25. Centimeters squared equals centimeters squared. Let's subtract 9 centimeters squared from both sides of the equation. Here we have b squared equals 16 centimeters squared. Let's take the square root of both sides of the equation. The square root of b squared is b. Here's the equal sign. The square root of 16 is 4. And the square root of centimeters squared is centimeters. So our final answer is b equals 4 centimeters. Now we can use that information in box B. Find the perimeter. The perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So here we have 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. Here we have 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. Let's simplify, and our final answer is a perimeter of 12 centimeters. Finally, box C. Find the area. The area is equal to 1/2 base times height. The base is equal to 4 centimeters, and the height is equal to 3 centimeters. So on the next line, we'll write down 1/2 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Let's simplify. You can divide by 2 and divide by 2. 1 times 2 times 3 equals 6. Centimeters times centimeters equals centimeters squared. So our final answer is an area of 6 centimeters squared, or 6 square centimeters. Be especially careful with box D because the position of the right angle has changed. Let's take a look at only how to set up box D. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the missing side. So here we have a right triangle, but notice that the right angle is up here. So this will be side A, since it's the shortest. This is side B, and here is side C, which is the hypotenuse. Be especially careful with the setup of our final example, box F. Find the area. The area is equal to 1/2 base times height. And since the right angle is up here, we'll use 8 meters as our base and 6 meters as our height. So let's write down 1/2 8 meters times 6 meters. Let's simplify. We can divide by 2 and divide by 2. 1 times 4 times 6 equals 24. Meters times meters equals meters squared. So our final answer is an area of 24 meters squared, or 24 square meters.